Today we are making Kimpa, a Korean dish that may look like the Japanese sushi roll. I absolutely love Kimpa, especially the fragrant sesame oil mixed into the rice. Let's get started. Let's start with the beef. Cut thinly sliced beef into 2-inch strips. If you cannot find thinly sliced beef, you can slice the steak when it's half frozen, or cut the beef steak into sticks. Heat a frying pan on medium heat and start cooking the beef until it's no longer pink. Make sure to separate the pieces as they cook. Add sugar, grated ginger, and soy sauce. Continue cooking until the seasonings are fully absorbed. This smells so good. Next, we'll prepare the carrots. Peel and shred the carrot using a handy shredder. I found this handy shredder at the 100-yen shop and it's been incredibly useful. If you don't have a shredder, you can use a knife or a mandarin to shred the carrot as thin as possible. Heat a frying pan on medium heat and cook the shredded carrot until it wilts slightly. Season with a pinch of salt and garlic powder. If you don't have a garlic powder, you can use freshly grated garlic. I don't know why, but for some reason, garlic powder adds a nice aroma without overpowering the flavor of the carrot. Now cut the garlic chives into 2 inches lengthwise. Cook them quickly in sesame oil over medium heat and season with a pinch of salt and garlic powder. Set them aside once done. Last but not least, let's make the Tamagoyaki. Usually I use a rectangular Tamagoyaki pan, but since not everyone has one, so I use a 20 cm diameter round frying pan instead. This size works perfectly for both Kimpa and sushi rolls. Beat the eggs until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Add dashi and soy sauce and mix well. Heat your frying pan on medium heat and drizzle with the vegetable oil. Pour in 1/3 of the egg mixture and roll it up towards you. Slide the cooked egg away from you. Add some more oil if necessary and pour in the next portion of the egg mixture. Roll it up again and repeat the process one more time. And the Tamagoyaki is ready. Take it out of the pan and cut into 3 lengthwise strips and set it aside until the rice is ready. Mix 1 teaspoon of sesame oil into a bowl of cooked rice. The sesame oil makes the rice incredibly fragrant and flavorful. Here comes the fun part. To prepare the kimpa, quickly toss the seed of nori over the flame and flip it back and forth over the fire to activate the fragrance of the seaweed, which also make it easier to bite through. Place the nori seed rough side up and shiny side down, and spread the sesame oil flavored rice evenly, leaving a 2 inches gap on the top. Occasionally, dip your fingers in water to help spread the rice without crushing the grains to make sure the texture remains perfect. And then place a strip of tamagoyaki about 2 inches from the bottom of the nori seed. Place garlic chives and carrots and the beef on top. And sprinkle sesame seed over everything. Then start rolling. Use your index finger and thumbs to pick up the sushi mat while holding the ingredients with your other fingers. Roll the mat over the other end, gently squeezing as you go. Open the sushi mat and give the roll another gentle squeeze to secure everything in place. Your kimpa is ready. For the finishing touch, drizzle a bit of sesame oil on top of the kimpa and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Slice the roll into 8 equal portions. Thanks to the sesame oil in the rice, it cuts easily without sticking to the knife. And there you have it. A crowd-pleasing kimpa is ready to serve. The flavor is different from Japanese sushi, but it's absolutely delicious. The crunchy texture of the carrot and the softness of the tamagoyaki and the umami from the beef and the fragrant sesame oil all comes together beautifully to create a dish that's simply irresistible. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!